Gobble gobble, everyone! Welcome back to your favorite show, Bird is the Word, Thanksgiving Special, with Charlie Wickman. And I know, last time I did this show, I already talked about turkeys. Roll the clip. One of the things about birds that intrigues me most is them fighting each other. I have done countless hours of research over who would win in the fight between a peacock and a turkey, just because they're so darn similar. But this time, it's gonna be different. Turkey, 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 turkey. Are you guys ready for some Crescent Fresh turkey facts? Let's get to the facts. Turkey fact number 1. Turkeys can fly. Turkey fact number 2. Turkeys killed my whole family. I am in the turkey's basement. If you could send help, that would mean a lot. I hear. Alright guys, turkey fact number 3. Okay, in 1914, the nation of Turkey committed a genocide against the people of Armenia. Not a very uplifting fact, but that actually happened. Never forget, the Armenian genocide happened by Turkey. That's all for our turkey facts, folks.